Log in to 711Proxy website. Click Proxy Setup and API. In the left sidebar, select Residential Proxies. Select API. Add the local address to the whitelist before API access. Click Add now. Confirm adding whitelist. Choose a plan type. Select country, region. Setting the number of proxies to generate. Selecting proxy protocols, formats, and separator. Click to generate. Open link. API obtained successfully. You can start using. Open Hubstudio and click Create Profile. Enter a name. In the proxy information column, select the proxy type. Enter the host and port extracted from 711Proxy. Test proxy. Proxy detected successfully. Click to finish. It's ready to be used now. Thanks for watching.